We are moving on with inequalities, solving multi-step inequalities. We have a special solutions. We've been exposed to special solutions before. Our special solutions with inequalities, you will have things like all real numbers. That happens when you have a true statement. So all real numbers means something is true. You will have a no solution. Remember when we had no solution? It meant we had a false statement. So now it's different because you have inequalities instead of an equal sign. So you have to know when an inequality is true or false. Let's say I had 1 is less than 20. That's a true statement. I would say all real numbers. Or let's say you have 20 is greater than or equal to 19. Another true statement. That's what I mean by true. A false statement would be 20 is bigger than 20. No, 20 equals 20. So if it was bigger than or equal, it would be a true statement, but that's false. Or 1 is bigger than 30. Okay? So instead of an equal sign today, you're going to have an inequality, and you're going to have to identify if it's a true or false statement. The biggest thing with these special solutions is kids start whipping them out all the time, saying, oh, that's true, that's all real numbers, or oh, that's false, there's a no solution. What you have to know is this, fact. Very, very important. Put something there so your eyes will look at it constantly. In both cases, the variable will what? What do you think? What happened last time when we had a be gone? It will totally disappear. So the variable will disappear. So you cannot put true or false down when it is when you have a variable still existing. So you do things as normal, and all of a sudden you'll notice, hey, where'd my variable go? Your variable will disappear, and you'll either have an identity or no solution going on. Or was it infinite? All real numbers. They call it all real numbers. Okay, we're going to do one. First thing I'm going to do here is distribute like always. I'm following my steps from the first page. Distribute. 2 times 3 is 6x plus 2 times 5 is 10 is bigger than 9 plus 6x. That's nothing new. Now, I have to get my variable to one side. That's step 3. Step 2 said to combine like terms. Step 2 said to combine like terms, but there's no combining like terms I can do. So now I have to subtract 6x. 6x minus 6x is nothing. So I'm left only with this 10. Uh-oh, variable is all gone. That's what I'm talking about. The variable just totally disappears. Is 10 bigger than 9, true or false? True. True. So I know that's true, so you call it, this is what it looks like. It's really cool. Ready? 2 lines and an R, all real numbers. That's how you say that. Okay? An R with 2 lines called all real numbers. It means that it's infinite amount of possibilities. No matter what you choose for X, it will always be a true statement. All real numbers.
Do we have to do that one?
Why not?
It's cool, but
Yeah, do it up.
I don't know how to draw it.
2 lines and an R. 1, 2, R. 1, 2, R. 1, 2, R. Like that. Rafiq?
All the questions gonna be like that?
Are the questions going to be like this?
Yeah.
Yes.
And will it be like?
Yep, they'll be like, your homework is going to be an array of all the problems. You're going to have an answer or you're going to have a true or false statement. There's 3 possibilities for any problem as an 8th grade math student. You can get one answer, you can get an infinite, or you can get a no solution. But the last 2, the only way you can do that is if the variable disappears. If the variable does not disappear, you better not write anything like that. Okay, take 6m away, because I don't need to distribute on this next one. Take 6m away. Reminding myself that this is actually a negative 5 that's there. Negative 5 is less than 7. True or false? True. This is an all real numbers situation. Do you see a variable down here, yes or no?
No.
There is no variable. The variable disappeared.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, look at all of these. My goodness. I gave you all special solutions here. Okay, what do I do on this next one? What's the first step?
Add 3x.
Add 3x. Because I don't need to distribute. I add 3x. Negative 3 plus 3 cancels. I'm left with 4 is bigger, and this is a negative 5. Is, hey, true or false?
True.
True, all real numbers. True. Hey, another one. Why didn't I make you a no solution? I don't know why I didn't. Okay, cancel. 8 is bigger. This is a negative 9 than negative 9. True or false?
True.
True, it's all real numbers. Okay? Notice, once again, I cannot repeat this enough because I can guarantee there will be at least about 5 of us that it's going to mess this up. You're going to get something that where like x could be a fraction. You're going to be like, oh, that can't be it. And you're going to say something like no solution. And you don't do that. No solutions only happen when a variable disappears. I'm going to make you another problem. Okay, I'm doing another example with you. Just whipped one up quick. I'm going to distribute first. Negative 4 times 3 is a negative 12x minus a negative 8 is less than negative 12x plus 4. Minus a negative means plus, so negative 12x plus 8 is less than negative 12x plus 4. Get my x to one side, add 12x, add 12x. 8 is less than 4. True or false? False. So you say no solution. That's a no solutioner. That was false, so we say no solution. I want you to do another example. 5 times 3x minus 2 plus x is bigger than negative 4x plus 1. Distribute. This is what I'm going to do first. Distribute. 15x minus 10 plus x is bigger than negative 4x plus 1. That was step 1. Distribute. Step 2 says combine like terms, don't do the opposite. So 15x plus x, I have 16x. 16x minus 10 is bigger than negative 4x plus 1. That was step 2. Step 3 says to get x to one side. Add 4x, add 4x. 16 plus 4 is 20. Step 4 says solve. Add 10, and I get 20x is bigger than 11. Did my x disappear?
No.
I had 2 students ask me, is this a no solutioner? My first thing is, This is exactly when kids think it is because it's ugly, but it's okay. The variable is still there. So you say x is bigger than 11/20ths. You got a one solution answer, right? Okay, we're gonna do another one.
What you got on that?
Okay, ready? Here we go. Our third practice problem. Let's do -6 times x plus 2 is bigger than a -6x minus 15. Distribute our -6. -6 times x is -6x plus -6 times 2 is a -12 is bigger than -6x minus 15. I'm going to just go ahead and write plus a negative. Get x to one side, plus 6x, plus 6x. What happens? It's all gone. The variable's disappearing. Vanish. -12 is bigger than -15. Lots of kids wrote that as false. Remember, the bigger the negative, the smaller the number. This is a true statement. Okay? It is all real numbers. Now, wait, let me show. Josh actually has a good question. How is that true? Let me show you. Let's pretend zero's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, -12. I'm going to erase this. 13, 14, -15. So there's -15. Here's -12. Which one's bigger? The -12 is bigger because remember you get bigger as you go to the right. Yeah, you get bigger as you go to the right on the number line. All right, I think that's gonna call it good. Just be careful for today. Don't write a no solution or all real numbers unless the variable disappears.